The price of Shiba Inu Coin is trying to recover today, but it is still stuck in this tight descending wedge right here. We've got the bull flag, guys, and as we're approaching hopefully what is going to be the end of it, the price of Shiba Inu Coin is consolidating even further. We're going to talk a little bit about the current price action of Shiba Inu Coin in this video, but we're also going to be covering this article here, which talks about Shiba Inu Coin setting up for a 30x increase. Now, I'm just going to be very blunt with you guys. If Shiba Inu Coin 30x's from here, it's going to need some major burns, and it is not going to be easy. Something that could actually 30x from here is the Dogeverse Presale. If you guys haven't seen this yet, we're going to be talking about this. They've raised over 15 million. Well, this needs updated because they've raised over $16 million. And I would imagine today, maybe tomorrow, is going to be the last day, if not very, very early Monday morning. So let's discuss all of it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we've got the price of Shiba Inu Coin on the screen right now, and I'm not going to talk too much about the current price action. We've been following this trend for some time now. You can see that Shiba Inu Coin is right back down into this bull flag pattern. Now, bull flag simply means that it ripped up very quickly, and we've been seeing a consolidation ever since. Now, a lot of analysts and a lot of traders believe bull flags usually result in a next move higher, so that's what we're hoping for with Shiba Inu Coin. But of course, Shiba Inu Coin is following Bitcoin nearly to a T. So as Bitcoin is kind of consolidating as well, SHIB will consolidate. Hopefully, Bitcoin breaks out and Shiba Inu Coin is able to break out as well. Now, let's talk numbers, right? How high? Me personally, I believe Shiba Inu Coin could see, maybe a 1-2x increase above the old all-time high, meaning somewhere around that 8,800 point per coin mark to maybe 3 zeros and a 1-6 to 3 zeros and a 2. Somewhere in that area, because SHIB is already so big. You guys don't realize that this is not just some baby meme coin we're talking about anymore. This is a top 10 cryptocurrency in the entire world. So it doesn't, to me, have the 30x potential. But let's go through real quick and see what this analyst believes. Okay. Now, it goes on to say the market pundit did not detail the reasons for his confidence in Shiba Inu Coin's potential 30-fold increase and its resilience against dropping to zero. Nonetheless, this optimism is not unfounded considering the historical data. As reported by the Crypto Basic, Shiba Inu Coin's performance post-Bitcoin last halving was nothing short of remarkable, with gains surpassing 800,000%. The returns are even more astonishing when traced from SHIB's all-time lows. Yes, but there's a major difference in going from being worth $100,000 to $8 billion. Than going from being worth $8 billion to $8 trillion. There's a huge difference. But if you guys are looking for something that could potentially 30x, now this is 30x is a very large increase no matter what you're talking about, but I want to point you over to the Dogeverse Presale. We're going to talk about some numbers here, so if you've been following along with these updates, you're going to like what you're seeing so far. Now, I want to give a huge shout out to the guys over at the Dogeverse team for sponsoring this video, getting as much awareness as possible onto the Dogeverse Presale as possible, and hopefully having one of the most successful launches of the entire year under their belts here. If you find yourself interested in buying, please make sure you use the link that's in the description below. I cannot stress to you guys how important it is that, and you can go out and Google Dogeverse if you want, right? But, I mean, you can scroll down and just see. There's going to be some Dogeverse.us, fake website, Dogeverse.network, Dogeverse.club. All of these websites are fake websites and most likely going to result in your wallet getting stolen or scammed. Don't go connect to any of those. Make sure you utilize the affiliate link that is in the description below if you guys want to buy Dogeverse. From there, it is very simple. Click Connect Wallet, and decide which way that you would like to connect your wallet. Now, I use Wallet Connect. You simply click on that, scan the QR code with your phone, and you're good to go. From there, you could go 62.3 Ethereum worth, and you're going to be walking away with 574 million Dogeverse. I'll talk about that number in just 2 seconds here. But you can buy on BNB, you can buy on Matic, you can buy on Avalanche, buy on Space, and buy on Solana as well. And this is where Dogeverse gets beautiful. This is where it gets interesting. This is where it gets useful. Much more than a meme coin. Guys, if you scroll down, you can see that you can buy and claim Dogeverse on any of these blockchains. It is a multi-chain, multi-bridge utility. You are going to be able to bridge back and forth from blockchain to blockchain. You are going to be able to utilize Dogeverse in a similar manner that you would a centralized exchange. Or, of course, if you guys are familiar with bridges already, similarly to how you would use D-Bridge or any other bridge out there. You're going to select the token that you are coming from, and you're going to select the token that you would like to move to, and simply make the swap happen. Now, when you swap from one blockchain to another, it's called a bridge. When you swap from token to token on the same blockchain, of course, that's called a swap. So Dogeverse has major utility right off the bat, which could skyrocket demand and then skyrocket the price. Now, I want to share some expectations with you, because a lot of people out there, they come into the live stream and they're like, do you think the Dogeverse is really going to 30x? Do you think it's going to 100x? Do you think I'm going to make $1 million? Well, I don't know how much money you're putting in. Right? If you're going to put $1 in, no, I don't think you're just going to go out $1,000,000 your money and walk away with $1 million. What I have seen a lot of these pre-sales do, they launch, they do go up 50%, 100%, 200% in a very, very short period of time. People begin to panic, they sell off, some volatility kicks in, price finds a stability point, and then it rips higher. Guys, talk about Slothana. Slothana had a 5x gain just over like the last 3 or 4 days. Doge 20 had some volatility and 7x gained over about a 4 or 5 day period. These pre-sales, because they are so new with such low market caps, the volatility does provide for potential 3, 5, 10x gains in a very short period of time. Now, that's not me sitting here telling you that is exactly what's going to happen. I have no idea what the future holds, and anybody that tells you is blowing smoke out there you know where. So don't pay attention to those guys. But what I do know is the possibility is here. I have bought into Dogeverse. I am very excited about Dogeverse, and I'm going to be buying in again most likely today, because as you can see here, $16.2 million. With a hard cap of $17 million. Most likely by the end of tomorrow or very early Monday morning, if it keeps the same pace, right? Dogeverse is going to be sold out. You're not going to have the ability to get it anymore before it begins trading live, and most likely going up. And they're gonna have to update this website here, put the countdown timer on, and all of that. So let me know if you guys are interested in buying Dogeverse down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.